Find or read reviews that people are talking about TCEUMIK Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, 130 minutes runtime lightweight automatic vacuum. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Universal pool compatibility. Designed for optimal performance in above-ground pools with flat or gently sloped bottoms, less 15 degrees inclination, idea for both in-ground and above-ground swimming pools, under 10 feet and up to 861 square feet. It can adapt to different pool shapes, round, square, oval, and pool materials, tile, vinyl, concrete, offering wide range compatibility. Cordless and strong cleaning power. Simply place it in your pool, press a button, and let this above-ground pool cleaner do its thing. Equipped with dual suction ports, this pool cleaner provides powerful suction to easily pick up leaves, dirt, and debris. Its cordless design means you don't have to worry about cables or hoses. 130-minute long runtime and large coverage. Enjoy extended cleaning sessions with the massive 5200 mAh battery, delivering up to 130 minutes of continuous operation. Efficiently covers up to 861 square feet of pool floor on a single charge, recharging fully in just 3 to 4 hours. Smart navigation and auto dock technology. Features intelligent path planning, zigzag pattern, for thorough, systematic coverage of pool floors. Moves efficiently at 45 feet per minute. Automatically docks at the pool edge when finished or battery is low for easy retrieval. Advanced dual-layer filtration system. Captures debris down to sand and silt with our deep filtration system, a 178 micrometer fine mesh filter paired with a sponge filter. Ensures crystal clear water. Tip: clean filters after each use for optimal performance, especially in heavily soiled pools. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.